Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Now, I know in chronological order this looks a little bit odd because I'm back in England right in the middle of all the Texas videos. Yeah, you will get more Texas videos, but right now we are at the town Moor Hoppins in Newcastle. The weather's looking pretty crappy, but yeah, it's the northeast. Anywho, on to another note, I've just seen Marty Lee of As New, and he has kindly offered to sponsor this video. So this video is sponsored by As New Auto Dismantlers. The Hoppins is apparently the largest travelling fair in Europe. Now I say apparently because the fair that is on in Hull, they say that they're the largest in Europe. I think it's the Hoppins, but you'll have to go and check it out yourself and say what you think. So I'm going to have a quick look around the fair before going for food. Now you will hear some different music on these clips because of copyright. All the rides are playing really loud copyrighted music, which I won't pay for these videos. There he is, Marty Lee, the video sponsor. This is new, never seen this path before. They've never done this in the past. The layout's slightly different to what it normally is. For example, there is a new ride there, it's a zip wire, I've never seen that here, and it looks like lots of inflatables over the back, which are all down at the minute. So yeah, I've never seen that before. Or this path, like I said. Crazy Mouse. Oh, it's called a Magic Mouse here, but it is a Crazy Mouse ride. Or as I like to call it, a Vomit Comet. That path seemed a bit naff, to be honest. I like a backstage path, so we'll come off it. There is a Star Flyer ride this year, but it's too windy, so they can't use it because it's really windy down here. So imagine when it goes all the way up there. Seems as though they've changed the layout of the food area. We've got a lot more tables. Doesn't look like there's more food though. Huh. Just seems spread out more. This is the quietest I've ever seen the town Moor Hoppins. There's hardly anybody here. But look at that sky. Look at it. It's going to absolutely chuck down. And that's a new ride at the fair this year, a drop tower. And it's tall. There's a few fun houses and ghost trains and ghost houses that I've not seen before yet. And that's the oldest ride on the fair. Well, that will just about do it from the town Moor Hoppins tonight. If I'm honest, there's not as much there as what there normally is, so I'm a little bit disappointed. But there was a lot of things closed, and a lot of the inflatable rides, like the mazes and things like that for the kids, they were all deflated. Some will try and come back when it's a little bit brighter and less windy, and yeah, see what it's like then. But tonight it's been a wah wah wah. Anywho, see you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.